Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other website to pay you Bitcoin and free, and every time you can every day you can come back and claim again. Okay, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. And this is the website name is RuchBitcoin, and this website pay you Bitcoin, okay, instantly in your Faucet pay. And the registration is very easy. Click sign up, put your username, email, password, gender, your carry, your Bitcoin wallet address, okay, and just click login, and it's too easy. Just click on login and you can be logging in this website, okay. And this website link available in description too. And right now I want to share with you the withdrawal. After 50 time claim, you can easily go to the withdrawal and show the minimum withdrawal. Okay, just I click roll and click check. The first one is a Faucet, and you can claim this Faucet every 7 minutes. Okay, I earn this much number, and this much number is 1 beats every 7 minutes, and come back and I claim again and again. And the next one is the visit short links. You can go to visit short links, you can watch all the short links and you can earn this much beats. And the next one is the PTC ads. Watch the PTC ads, watch this one for 3 seconds, pay you 1 Satoshi. Just click it, watch it for 3 seconds, so please wait and watch for 3 seconds, okay, not too much. You can see this very easy and very easy capture will be show you for you. Just click one of the different capture, just close it, and you can see I earn 1 other Satoshi too, okay. And the next one is a jobs. You can complete jobs, okay. If you have a CoinPay, you can just put it, and this much you get reward, okay. The reward is a 50 BTC, okay. Just put your this much, okay. Just sign in with this much this username, okay. The next one is more money, okay. This is a sign up, this is much you earn. The next one is this one, you earn this much Satoshi, okay. And the next one is this one, and all of these are the Facebook, promote website, blogs, and YouTube, okay. If you have YouTube channel, this is you get reward to just make a video of YouTube. And this is the warning, okay. If you have make fake videos, okay, fake proofs, this will be cut this much beats, okay. Make it this all websites, and you can earn much more beats from here too, okay. This is a jobs. And the next one is achievements. If you complete this much offer walls, this much you will complete the BTC you earn. And the next one is a CPU mining and investment game. This one be an investment game, but I tell you one thing, don't play this game, you will be lost your all BTC. The next one is a referral. You can just copy your referral link and paste for your friends, send for your friends, and they will be come to join this page. You will be earn this much one, okay. The next one is a lottery ticket. This is the price, and this much is lottery available. You can buy a lottery ticket. You can see the people earn very low lottery ticket to this person buy this much lottery ticket and this much earn, okay. This person buy just 6 lottery ticket and this much Bitcoin. This person earn 1 million Satoshi, okay. This is one of the best, and you can participate the lottery ticket too, okay. And the next one is a contest. Referral contest is one of the toppest, and this is the referral contest. This person is just qualified, and if I earn this much referral, just come to join with my link. I will be share with you the this much beats. So if this website pay, I will share with you the payment proof too. Okay, the next one is a short links. Okay, and offer walls, contest. This is all about contests. You can earn much more cryptocurrency. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. If I receive my first withdrawal from this website, I will share with you the withdrawal proof of this website. Bye bye for now.